In this video, we will discuss about the potentiometer principle. Now, first of all, what is potentiometer? Potentiometer is a device which is used to calculate the potential difference when there is no current. And this is most accurate way to find out the potential difference between the two ends. I will draw the setup of how the potentiometer can be made. So it consists of 400 centimeter wire, that is from here to here, and this one, this and this. So this is your 400. Each length is of 100 centimeter. A meter scale is also provided to measure the length of the wire. Across the ends of the wire, we attach a variable battery, ammeter and key. So this is a construction of potentiometer. Now, to understand the potentiometer principle, so I made a simple diagram. This is a wire of 100 centimeter. Across the end of the wire, this is your A and this is your B. Across this end of the wire, we attach a variable battery, ammeter and key. So this is your simple arrangement of the potentiometer. Potential of the battery is 10 volt. Then whole of this battery's potential is dropped along the wire. So if I divide this section A to B into 10 equal parts, this is your 10 equal parts, then each section of this wire give us the potential drop of 1 volt. This section of the wire is also giving us the potential drop of 1 volt. This will also give you the potential drop of 1 volt. This will also 1 volt. So similarly, all the portion of the wire is the potential drop of 1 volt. If I attach a voltmeter, we know the voltmeter is a device to measure the potential difference. So I'm starting from here, this is 0. If I attach the other terminal to this end, then what is the value of the voltmeter? What should be the reading in the voltmeter? 0 to 4. So this voltmeter should measure the potential difference is equal to 4 volt. Because the difference of potential is 0, this is 0, this is 4. The difference will be 4 volt. If I move the jockey to the another one point, let it be at this point. So now what should be the potential difference across these ends? So now the potential difference for this voltmeter will be 7 volt. Similarly, at the higher end, you will find that if I increase this length, then our reading in the voltmeter keep on increasing. So what is here? You can say that the reading in this voltmeter or potential drop along the wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire. देखो, अगर यहाँ पर है तो potential drop is 1. If here it is, if I increase the length to this one portion, then the potential drop is 2 volt. Here 3 volt, here 4 volt, and the potential drop keep on increasing as you keep on increasing the length from the A. So this is the meaning of potentiometer principle. So that is, potential drop in this wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Now we can also derive this mathematically. So how can we derive this one? So we know that the resistance of the wire is given by rho L by A. And Ohm's law says that V is equal to IR. So from these two equations, what we get? V is equal to I. We put the value of R, that is rho L by A. So V is equal to I rho A into L. If I keep these terms as a constant, then the V is directly proportional to the length. So that is nothing but it is a potentiometer principle. So we can say that, so the potentiometer principle is potential drop along the wire is directly proportional to the length if the area of cross section of the wire is of 1 unit. The potential drop along the wire is directly proportional to the length of when the area of cross section of the wire is uniform. This wire area is uniform and a constant current is flowing through this wire. So we got the potentiometer principle, that is, potentiometer principle says that the potential drop along the wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire when the area of cross section of this wire is uniform and a constant current is flowing through this wire. So this is your potentiometer principle. Thanking you.